too.
On your arm too.
Oh, sick.
And her arm right here.
She stinks.
And your shirt.
Got strapped just right tight. That smells good.
A tea?
It's the.
Someone's tea.
It's his cinnamon apple.
Yeah, that's what I smell.
Ask her if she's
Where's
got
that
any more.
pacifier? Oh, she picked it up.
Oh.
Did she burp?
That's not a cute little. She's all.